On everyone, good morning, and to the members. If you got in too early on PDD, man, you may have broken even. But if you waited like 5 minutes after the open and got in at like point 0.1 or 0.11, point 0.10, I mean, you made like an 80% return. So hit as expected today. We have a filing to talk about out of Box Exchange, and this is a designation for longer period for commission action on proceeding to determine whether to approve or disapprove a proposed rule change as modified by amendment number 1 to adopt the rules governing the trading of equity securities on the exchange through a facility of the exchange known as the BSTX LLC. So basically they're going to be pushing this one back a little bit. This was filed on May 12th and then it was pushed back on August 27th. And this is their website here, BSTX. BSTX is building the first blockchain integrated national securities exchange. So get ready, y'all. Blockchain integrated national securities exchange is coming. So that's the filing we're looking at. The date for which they designate is going to be January 28th, 2022. Full circle, baby. So that's the one I have for you. I figured you'd think that was interesting. Let's go. Yeah. So to reiterate, Box Exchange is adopting a equity securities that's going to end up being the first blockchain integrated national securities exchange. Yeet, yeet, skiddedeet.